Do you like pasta? Do you like cheesy pasta, but without all the carbs you would typically find in the pasta you would find in your everyday grocery store? Well, you should definitely try our baked mozzarella tomato pasta. This baked mozzarella tomato pasta is loaded with sweet grape tomatoes that are high in fiber and vitamin A. It is seasoned just right and baked in the oven to bring out the tomatoes' aroma and flavoring. Then it's mixed in with our low-carb, gluten-free chickpea pasta and topped off with a cheesy finish. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where you take international and traditional food and drinks and transform them to healthier versions. Now, make sure you stick around to the end to discover more of our amazing recipes like this one today. Pasta, you say? Wouldn't that be an Italian recipe? Well, as it turns out, the origin of this particular recipe actually originates from a Finland food blogger that posted it up on their Instagram. It was since that Instagram post that it was taken to the TikTok platform, social media, and it has went viral everywhere with all kinds of different variations, which we'll be introducing one today. Now, this recipe is our own take on this tremendously popular, easy, and tasty dish. So enjoy, and let's get started.